What's up, guys? So today we're doing episode 43 of rating my subscribers' Jeeps, where my subscribers send in their Jeeps. We just kind of show them off, kind of see what everyone's driving, and then just kind of give my opinions on them, on kind of things I would change if I would change anything. So if you want to send in your Jeep or any kind of 4x4 or car or whatever, shoot me an email, info.kylesvt@gmail.com with the subject rate my Jeep, and eventually we'll get to yours. So we'll start out with Daniel here. Got here. Hey Kyle, love the channel. Thanks, dude. It has helped me many times, so I'm glad it has. This is my 2003 Wrangler. This is my first Jeep, and I've had it for a few years now. I don't plan on getting rid of it. It's a 4-liter 5-speed. Very nice. Stick shift. First pics are when I got it. Wasn't a fan of the chrome. Well, me either. Take a look. Very cool. Okay, so this is the chrome you're talking about. Very nice. Like what you did with blacking out the wheels, blacking out those trim rings on the headlights. That looks really good. I dig the stock front bumper with the winch on it and your little pod lights. Those look really cool as well. I like the high lift jack on the hood. That looks cool. But oh, very cool. I really like this tonneau cover or whatever on the back of the Jeep. That looks really cool. Kind of like a little pickup truck almost. But I like that a lot. That looks cool. Your fenders look cool. I like that. I dig your paint color too, kind of like that sand color. That looks really nice. But yeah, I don't really think I'd change a whole lot on the Jeep. Looks really cool. I don't know if I would have painted the whole back half here black, but other than that, I think it looks pretty good. Yeah, you did a nice job. So thanks for sending me your Jeep, dude. Look at Aiden here. Hey Kyle, my name is Aiden. I'm from Louisiana. I have a 98 TJ. It has a 4-banger 5-speed, a lot of manuals. I like it. Lapis blue outside, gray inside, and blue bedline floor pans, and the soft top. Also have a sub installed in the small trunk and plenty of other stuff added like bumpers, seats, etc. I love my Jeep. It is so much fun to drive as a trail vehicle and daily driver. Your channel is amazing for fixing stuff that I've needed help with. Well, cool. I'm glad you enjoy it. You have very well thought out mods on your Jeep without doing too much. Great taste and great condition. Thanks, dude. Love your channel. Next on the list to do, probably new tires, fixing the leak on my passenger side, which is pretty funny to me. Not my passengers, though. Excited to see what you think. Oh, and the LED light on the front bumper was destroyed in one of the pictures. It is fixed now. It's an old picture. All right, let's take a gander. Very cool. Right away, love your wheels and tires. They look fantastic. I like that a lot. I like how you did LEDs. That looks cool. All right, that's the broken light you're talking about. Very cool. Little 4-banger with big tires. That's cool to see. Very cool. What size tires are those? Those are 35s. Nice. Little 4-cylinder engine. Very good. Cool. I actually dig the paint. It's kind of a neat blue, actually. Very cool. Love the half door setup you got on there. Things I would change, I'd probably pull off those little side step things. I'm not a big fan of side steps, but that's just me. Yeah. Other than that, your wheel and tire setup, I'd probably black out your trim rings on the headlights, like I kind of tell everyone. I think that really kind of makes the front of the Jeep look a little bit more subtle, a little bit better than the chrome. But other than that, Jeep looks really cool. You did a really nice job. And that looks great. That right there, that's a nice looking Jeep. So very cool. Thanks for sending me your Jeep. Appreciate it. All right, we've got E. Lewis here. Hey Kyle, this is my second Jeep I'm sending to you. My old one was a 99 TJ. That was episode 39, the one on its side. The new one is a 13 JKU with 37s. I have a lot planned for this Jeep, so you will most likely see it again. All right, I'm excited. Very cool. Nice. I love white. White looks fantastic. Love the wheel and tire setup. Those look like MTRs. Yep, Goodyear MTRs. Very nice looking tire. Very cool. I like it. Yeah, I really dig your kind of like rock guards in the side there, how it's kind of like up and out of the way and kind of integrated more into the Jeep versus like kind of low hanging. That looks really nice. Wheels and tires, like I said, look great. I dig the Stinger kind of stubby front bumper with your winch up front. That looks nice. I'd probably paint your grill white instead of silver. I don't know if that's maybe from a different Jeep or something, but I'd probably paint that white, kind of match the rest of the Jeep. But yeah, other than that, you really got, I like the wheel and tire setup that you got. Got a nice stance to it. It looks like you have some fun in the sand with it too, which is cool. Very nice looking Jeep. Very cool. Thanks for sending it in. All right, we got Angel here. Hi Kyle, I would like you to rate my Jeep. I am sending photos of a 2003 TJ Sahara. Jeep has a 3-inch TerraFlex lift with 33s. Still work in progress. Thank you, Angel. Let's take a gander. Very cool. Another one of that like sand silver color. Very cool. I love half doors. Half doors are probably my favorite on the TJs by far. But very cool. Like your wheel and tire setup. The steel wheels look great. I think a steel wheel is a really great option if you're not looking to spend a ton of money on wheels. They look awesome and they work. But things I would change your Jeep, I'd definitely pull off those side steps. I think it kind of make the Jeep look a little bit taller, a little bit more beefy looking. But other than that, I like your fender setup. It looks like maybe you replace your fenders. I'd maybe paint this lower part to kind of match your plastic fenders, or vice versa, paint these the same color as your Jeep. It's probably easier just to paint those little guys. But that would kind of maybe tie it in a little bit better. Looks like you could use a little bit of restoration on the little bumper end caps. You could either paint them like with some bed liner or something like that. That I did that in a Project 4 Banger. That turned out really nice. Or if you're not looking for like altering the, I guess, paint or whatever, or painting it, you can use the Ammo Pro Frame trim coat. That stuff's worked really well on the super faded plastic. So I'd maybe give that a shot. If you don't want to like paint it or anything like that, that would probably help a lot, kind of bring back that black plastic shine. But other than that, looks like, I don't know if you got LEDs or not, but if you don't have LEDs, you know, LED headlamps is a nice upgrade. I can't really tell. They look bright, but I can't really tell. But other than that, I really like the Jeep. Honestly, you know, a nice set of wheels and tires, and makes Jeeps look great. So I don't really think I'd really change a whole lot on it besides those couple of things. But the Jeep looks really cool. I really like the color a lot. Very cool. But thanks for sending me your Jeep, Angel. We got Sabas here. Hello, Kyle. I am Sebastian from Costa Rica. Very cool. This is the progress of my Jeep. It's a 2004 4-liter automatic with 145,000 kilometers, which is 90K miles. Nice. Thanks for doing that for me. I've had it for a year and a half now. It has 31s in the first picture where my friend is. After that, I got 33s. It came with a 4-inch lift when I bought it. I sent the fenders and wheels to get painted and bumper and side steps myself. Smoke turn signals all are on the way, and also grill inserts. By the way, love your reels. Well, thanks, dude. Let's take a look at your Jeep from Costa Rica. Okay, there's your buddy with the little tires. Nice. Very cool. Nice. Definitely looks better with the bigger tires. Very cool. Like what you did with the front end there. That looks great with the blacked out trim rings. That looks really good with some nice LEDs up front. Very cool. Yeah, the 33s look really nice. I dig your wheel setup, even though it's a stock wheel, just with a nice tire, looks good. I'd personally pull off those side steps. I think it looks a little bit better, but obviously it's your Jeep, so keep it if you'd like. But yeah, nice looking Jeep. Interesting choice with painting the bumpers the same color as the Jeep. I think I like the black setup a little bit better, but it's definitely unique. You definitely don't see that. Especially probably in Costa Rica, you probably don't see. I don't know how many TJs are in Costa Rica, but I imagine not that many. But it looks cool. Probably a great place for a Jeep, though. Very cool. Thanks for sending it in, man. All right, we got Applewood Farms here. Hey, Cal. Thought I would send you a few more pictures. Don't blast me about the steps. You know the channel well. They are on the chopping block. Okay, good. Anyway, it's a 2004 TJ with a 4-liter manual transmission. Very nice manual. I've been watching your YouTube videos for a couple of years. Nice, thank you. It's got a 2.5-inch TerraFlex lift, 31s, KO2s, nice. Hood lift supports, 12,000-pound winch, hood louvers, aluminum 3-core radiator, tinted half doors. It's always subject to change. Thanks for your time. I'm interested to see your tinted half doors, actually. Very cool. Black ice, nice. Oh, is this the louver setup that you did on there? Nice. Well, that's kind of cool. The little hood struts kind of hold the hood up for you. That's kind of nice. Very cool. Really like the KO2s. Like your wheels. Just a set of steel wheels looks great. Definitely. Yep. Take those take those low hanging side steps off. I think that'll look good. That's cool though. I didn't know they made tinted half door uppers. That's really cool looking actually. But I dig your KC A-pillar lights. That looks cool. I've been thinking about adding a set of A-pillar lights to my Jeep. I think it kind of looks cool, kind of more like safari Jeep kind of look. But let's take a look. I like your tire carrier setup with the jerry cans and the little rack on top. That looks cool. Like the netting setup on there. Rear bumper is actually kind of cool looking too. Very minimalist. I like that with a little light bar below. But I love the half doors. Yeah. I don't really think I changed the front bumper. I dig that. It's like a low profile minimalist setup. That's kind of I don't think I've ever seen that type of tire carrier setup. That's cool. But yeah, like you said, I'd pull off those side step. That'll make a huge difference, I think, in my opinion. But yeah, other than that, Jeep looks nice. Very cool. Hey, you kind of got that black and red setup. That's kind of neat. But yeah, thanks for sending me your Jeep, man. I really appreciate it. All right, we got Carson here. Hey Kyle, this is my 2000 Jeep TJ. This has been in the family for 9 years now, and I bought it from my older brother 4 years ago. That's pretty cool. Some main upgrades that we've done are 4-inch rough country lift, 33s, leather heated Corbeau seats, very nice. K&N air intake, 16-inch bead locks, hardtop, and a soft top. Here's some photos. Sorry about that. Yeah, no problem. Very cool. I like the Corbeau seats. Those look cool. Dig the fender setup. I like that with the big. These are the old school, the mud terrain, the BFG mud terrains, like the KM2s, I think they call them. I haven't seen those in a while. Very cool. Nice looking Jeep. I like the silver color. I'm not super against those side steps. Maybe the tubular design isn't my favorite, but at least it's kind of tucked up and actually more of like a rock guard than like a low hanging side step. So that's okay, I think. And dig the wheels and tires. I like that. Not a huge fan of the blue, but that's just me. I don't know. Obviously, if you like it, keep it. But I think I like your the setup before. Like this setup a little bit more. But definitely black out those trim rings. He's kind of got that black, look going with your hinges and the fenders. I think blacking out those trim rings would make a little bit of a difference. But other than that, the Jeep looks really cool. I like it. It's a nice size tire, decent size lift on it. Looks pretty good. But yeah, very cool. Thanks for sending me your Jeep. Alrighty, we're going to end it there. We still got a couple more to go yet. Like I said, if you guys want to send in your Jeep or any kind of thing you're driving, shoot me an email, info.kylesvt@gmail.com with the subject Rate My Jeep, and eventually we'll get to yours. But anyway, guys, thank you guys so much for watching these. I really enjoy doing these video series. It's just kind of fun to see what everyone else is driving. And yeah, so anyway, guys, thanks you guys so much for watching. That's English. Thanks you guys. Thank you guys for watching. If you guys enjoyed the video, definitely give it a thumbs up. That helps me out a bunch, guys. And I will see you guys in the next video.